Porcelain mining. Got a pit stop there. Some nice ice cream. Topped up my drink. And I said I wanted little, not very busy lanes. It's always a good sign when there's grass in the middle. Be there soon. Lunch done, and we've moved straight into the climbing again. 50k to do. Maybe between 500 and 800 meters of climbing still left in that 50 meters, so no let up. But weather's good, wind's kind, lunch was alright, pub grub, nice to see the missus. All's good, so I should be at the Horn of Plenty around 4:30, something like that today, and that will take us out of Cornwall into Devon and a foot of Exmoor. So I'll see what my challenge tomorrow will look like before I start it. So that's good or bad. Oh, that warms your legs up after lunch. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I've got the A30 about field a bit to my left, just that hum of traffic, and I'm on this road. Might take me a bit longer, but I like the route I've picked. See that? This is nice. Oh, I've got a bit of red on my climbing app. That's never good. It's the way up yet. These climbs are sneaky because they twist up. So I've got another 70 meters to go, over a kilometre to climb, and I can't see more than 14 meters ahead of me. Oh well, what you don't know's coming. Can't hurt you until you're on it. Downhill, up again. Over 2,000 meters now today. Bodmin Moor's very green. See roaming cows. Hey you guys. Getting out into St. Neots. Two red sections, it's 200 meters of steep stuff upwards. Okay, that's leaves me 4 climbs to go for the day. That was a bit of a stinker, but we did it. Up on the tops again, above St. Neot. drivers aren't so kind round here. Badly defeated for the first time today. Walking it up this section. Horrid road surface and a bit too steep for my legs right now. Maybe I was a bit ambitious in the planning stage. You never know what the road surface is going to be like. And that, after 2,174 metres of climbing, that's just beyond what I wanted to do on the first day. So a little walk up the steepest bit, but still got 6 kilometres of uphill to do. So it's not like it's all downhill from here, given that we're 28k away. I hope it's downhill after these 6. Onwards, upwards. Here's the Exmoor. I thought I was high getting up onto Bodmin, but that's high. Possibly the highest point of the trip I look at tonight. I'm coming up into the Peak District, but Exmoor's pretty high. So this is Bodmin Moor. Pretty cool. What you doing? Yeah, middle of the road. Hey. Feels like somebody's stolen my easiest gear on the bike. Not much further though, 15k to go. $5k to go and the road still heads up. Jeez, Exmoor tomorrow. Slightly worried I've had a really long descent and there could be a nasty hill before I get to Horn of Plenty. Wow, well, just pushed it up the last climb of the day and I've still got a bit of height to go, but it's much easier gradient. 2,712 metres climbed in, well, we're up to 142 kilometres, something like that. My legs are telling me they've had a big day out. Ooh. And the sun's got stronger, so I put my arm warmers on to just give me a bit of protection. It's a bit hot. 4 bottles of juice, a pint of beer, and a pint of Coke at lunchtime. And I think I'm about okay hydrated, but by golly gosh, there's a chilled pint of lager waiting for me at the Horn of Plenty. 3.4 kilometres to go. Right, we can do this. Let's get there before 5:30. 10 to 5 now. Been cycling 7.5 hours. That's a big old day, innit? See if we can get in the 8 would be fantastic. So, my route planning. Yeah. Some of the sharpness of these inclines were lost in the overall distance that I was looking at, and certainly the back end of the day. 12% incline is painful, so we could avoid that in the future. But sadly Thursday has all the climbing at the end, so let's see how that goes. I think tomorrow afternoon is all flat, and I've got up Cheddar Gorge and rolling over the Mendips, but nothing like today. And then Wednesday, no, it is Wednesday, Thursday is up through the Midlands, so a lot of that is flat, so should recover in time for Friday. Woohoo.